Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 7th. Okay, so students in a class 7th, as you know, your last chapter is going on. And what is the name of last chapter? The name of last chapter is electric current and its effect. Okay, so students, I told you about the magnetic effect of electric current, and yesterday I told you the uses of some electromagnets and some electromagnets. Okay, in our daily lives. Clear? Today I am just going to telling you the one use of the electromagnet, that is a electric bulb. Clear? So students, electric bulb is the function of the electric bulb is your last topic of this lesson. Okay, last topic of this lesson, and after this the chapter is finished and with it your syllabus is also finished. Clear? So let's start our today's topic. The first one is you have to read what is the electric bulb. Okay, so you generally use the electric bulbs in your houses. Okay, so how the electric bulb produce rings and how it's working. So always remember students, in electric bulb there is an electromagnet which is responsible for the ringing. Clear? So what is the process here? This process is completed by the 3 steps. Okay, all the 3 steps, the diagram is also made is given in your book. I have made here only one diagram, and with it I will explain you all the process. But you have to make all the 3 step diagram. Clear? So firstly you have to know what is this. So first one, this one is a diagram of the electric bulb. Now here in an electric bulb, that is a hammer. Okay, that is a screw, and here one strip of a soft iron, and that is a electromagnet. As I told you, what is the electromagnet? Electromagnet is a arrangement in a soft iron which is known as a core, and with it the wire is wrapped. Okay, so that is electromagnet, and here the electromagnet is attached in it. Now this one is a switch. Okay, so in our first step you are watching here students, when the switch is off. Okay, when I told you, when the in a circuit when switch off, then the electric current will be flow. Always remember. And in a closed circuit we can say that, then when the in a closed circuit the electric current will be flow. Then what will be happen in a first step? When electric current will be flow, then this soft iron strip will be attracted towards the electromagnets. Okay, so when this soft iron strip attract towards the electromagnet, then what happen? Then this hammer will be attacked with a gong. Okay, and the ringing sound will be produced. Okay, so this is the first step. Now the second step, what will be happen? In an electromagnet attract the soft. This is the second step always. First step, normally we can say that switch off. You have to off the switch and circuit have to close. Then electric current will be flow. So your first step included the flowing of the electric current. The second step is included the electromagnet attract the soft iron, and in a second step the ring is produced. Okay, and then after the this continuous process is happening, and in the last and third step the circuit will be open. It means circuit, we can say that in the last step the iron strip will be going its initial position. Clear? And in a first or third process is continuous working. That's why we listen the ring continuously. Okay, so this is the proper function of the electric bulb in your houses, which is found in your houses. You know what is the use of electric bulb, and here one point is important, that is the electromagnet. Yesterday I told you what is the importance of electromagnet. So electric bulb is one of the most important of electromagnet. Okay, and what is the function of we can say that what is the principle of working of the electromagnet. So electromagnet is working on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. So this is the topic you must have to remember. Clear? With it students, your lesson is finished, and with it your syllabus is also finished. From tomorrow I will start your revision. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, and always remember, you have to remember students, in a March your annual exam will be start. So you don't have to read all the lesson. I have taught you that lesson you have to read. Okay, and not all the topic, only that topic which I have taught you, and only that question which I told you, you have to read. Clear? If you have any query, any questions, you can ask me in my live class. Clear? This is all about of my today's class, and this is ending of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.